Hey guys, if you want to copy wallet address in Bitget wallet, then here's how to do it. First, open your Bitget wallet. Now go to the wallet section from this bottom right corner. Then from here you choose any coin if you want according to your choice. You can choose Bitcoin or Solana or Ethereum. I'm going to select the BTC, that's in the Bitcoin. Now you have to tap on this receipt button. Now here I'm going to tap it later. From here you will find a QR code that will link with your wallet, so you can transfer Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency to your wallet by scanning this Bitcoin from the other device. So at the bottom of that QR code you'll find this code. It is actually your wallet address, so you can copy it by tap on this copy icon. Then here you can see address is copied. So that's how you can simply copy wallet address in Bitget wallet. It's very simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.